Hey guys, we're back. Me, my cousin, and my brother. My cousin's driving my 250, and my brother's driving his 420. So we're gonna go out. We're gonna go to my pond, my uncle's pond, and we're gonna go out there and ride on the pasture behind my house. Okay, we're back. We're out in my pasture this time, but Grady got stuck on a stump. I all think he's stuck on a stump. That's my 250. That's what he's driving, and he got that stuck. Don't break it. You're not gonna. Yeah, he got mad at me for videoing him, so.
Is that my fault?
No.
Exactly.
We're getting stuck. That's your problem. Stupid. There's a phone down there. Huh? What are you talking about? My brother's always getting mad because he gets stuck. And then he gets mad at me if I try to video it. It's funny though. Nah, we're going this way.
Shuts off.
Yeah.
All the gas goes to the back.
Gas is on the other back side. Yeah.
I'm not allowed to bring it to that.
I don't know. It barely goes. It stops.
Well, he needs to learn how to drive better anyway.
Yeah, I know. You don't know how to drive for nothing.
No, I don't know why.
He's gonna jump it into it. Quick!
That's why he doesn't drive either.
Yeah. I'll see y'all in a second. Yeah. She wants to, but it's whatever. Then we got restarted. I just lost his phone because he can't drive it through here. Wait for her to sink it. Good. What was that? Here, hold on. Yeah, y'all have to come back.
Whoa.
Y'all come back. So you want all of us to sit on it.
I'll walk with it.
Oh yeah. This is awesome. Shut off. Speaker crap.
I got it.
He has to drive it. He's not gonna get out. He thinks he is. Oh, you're right. But I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all when we're done riding.
Slowly go sideways.
Or
Keep it a
I'll just do it. Quick video in here. We're just gonna keep doing the same thing. But I'll see y'all later.